Imagine you need to send payment reminders to 50 clients or even updates to 200 conference participants. Doing that one by one in WhatsApp would take hours, but Excel can do it in seconds. Yes, you heard me right. Let me show you how to turn Excel into your personal WhatsApp assistant. Here's the secret behind this whole system. WhatsApp has a special link format that automatically opens a chat with any phone number. It's made up of 3 parts. WA.me is WhatsApp's API link, then the phone number with country code, no spaces and no special characters, and then your message. And we can build that inside Excel automatically. Let's test it out. First, we need to open our browser and go to api.whatsapp.com to download the WhatsApp app to our PC. Then follow the instructions to link the desktop app to your WhatsApp account. Now to send a message, simply type the WhatsApp link in your browser. So https://wa.me/ and then the phone number, text equals, and then your message. Any spaces you need to add plus signs in there. So you can see I've done it before. Hello from Excel. Press enter. This opens the WhatsApp desktop app. There's my message ready to send. Click the send button or press enter to send it. Job done. Easy, huh? Now that we know how it works, let's use Excel to auto-generate the messages. I've prepared a customer list of balances due to demonstrate how you can use this in a real business scenario. And we've got a range of customers from different countries. You'll notice each phone number starts with the country code, no plus sign, and no spaces or dashes, as required by WhatsApp. By the way, these are all fake numbers, but I've blurred them out just in case one of them turns out to be real. Using the data here, I can construct a clickable URL using the hyperlink function. I'll create a WhatsApp link manually to show you how the hyperlink function works. So inside double quotes, I need to put in https://wa.me, that's WhatsApp's URL, /, then the phone number, followed by a question mark, and then text a hello Phil. Your balance of $150 is due on November 15th. Please contact us to arrange payment. Close double quotes. Close hyperlink. Let's test it out. Left click once. This opens the WhatsApp app. And you can see my message here is ready to send. All I need to do is press enter. But going back to Excel, we don't really want to type all this out manually because that's exactly why people hate doing bulk messaging. Imagine typing this for 100 customers. Instead, we'll tell Excel to grab the information automatically from our columns. So, I'm going to replace the hard-keyed phone number in here with a link to the cell. I'm going to add a double quote and then and. Then I'm going to reference the phone number, and then we're going to join it back to the question mark text. We're going to use another double quote, and then hello is going to be standard in all our messages. So I'm going to double quote there. And then instead of typing out the name, we're going to and reference the cell. And T. Then the rest of the message, your balance of $150, well, that's going to be custom. So we're going to add another double quote there to close the text. And we're going to reference the balance due. Joining that back to the text is due on. Now, we want the date to be picked up from the cell, so we'll get rid of that hard-keyed text there. So we want to N reference that cell there, and double quotes for the rest of the text. Press enter, and you can see our message is auto-generated. But notice the date is showing up as a number. That's the date serial number, rather than it formatted as a date. To fix that, we can wrap the reference to cell D2 in the text function, and that allows us to specify a format. Let's make the format the day followed by the month name and then the year. Close double quotes on my format. Close text. Press enter. Now we get a proper date. We can also do this for the dollar amount. Instead of just putting in the number, we'll use the text function to format this as a currency. We want $.00. That's going to give us 1,000 separators, a $sign, and 2 decimal places. Close parentheses on text. And now we get our number properly formatted. Let's double-click to copy it down, and there we have all our messages automatically generated. Let's test it out. There's our message ready to send. All I need to do is press enter. Okay, right now, all our customers have the same message type. But what if you need different messages for different situations? Let me show you how you can create a drop-down system. Here in column H, we have payment reminders, appointment reminders, promotional offers, and thank you messages. Notice how David has an appointment reminder, James has a promotional offer, and William has a thank you message. Let's add a drop-down menu in this column just to make it consistent and allow us to easily change the messages. So we're going to go Data Validation. And in here, I want a list. I'm just going to type in my different list options. So there I have thank you message, promotional offer, payment reminder, and appointment reminder. Click OK. And now we can change them easily. Next, we'll construct the link, and I'll use the hyperlink function. Now, I need 4 different messages depending on the message template selected in column H. I can use the switch function to return the relevant template. The expression, the first argument, is simply the value in column H. If that value is payment reminder, then my message, which I'll paste in, is simply going to be hello, and then referencing cell A2 to get the name your balance of, whatever the balance is in cell C2, is due on the date in D2. Please contact us to arrange payment. But if the message template is appointment reminder, then we get a different message. I'm just going to paste it in. This one's going to be hi, whatever the name is in cell A2, reminder your, and then the service type appointment is scheduled for, whatever the appointment date is in F2, formatted as a day and time. Please confirm or reschedule if needed. You get the idea. So I'll pause while I finish the others. Okay. That's the formula completed. You can see we've got payment reminder, appointment reminder, promotional offer, and thank you message. And the relevant message will be returned based on the message template selected in column H. Okay, that's the formula completed. Now I'm going to copy the formula down, and we can see this one formula has generated 4 different messages. We've got payment reminders, we've got appointment reminders, promotional offers, and thank you messages. And to get you started, I've created a complete guide that will get you up and running, creating your own macros and VBA to take your Excel skills to pro level. So check out this video next. I'll see you there.